Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be revealing my haunted house Halloween party invitation available in my Zazzle shop. The link to this invitation is down in the description box below. So let's dive on in. This invitation is super simple to personalize. All you want to do is click on the big blue Personalize This Design button located on the right hand side of your screen. That'll bring you up to a new page that shows the invitation on the right and where you can personalize the text on the left. Simply erase the pre-filled text and replace it with your own. Once you are finished personalizing your invitation, if you would like to further customize it, you can do so by clicking on the Customize with Design Editor button that is located underneath that invitation preview. That's going to take you to the designer page where you can do things like changing the fonts or the font colors. So let's do that by changing it to make the date pop a little bit more. We're going to make it bigger and we are going to make it the purple that matches the rest of the invitation. So we're going to click on the date. Then we're going to move over to the right hand side of our screen. And we're going to increase the size from 17 to, let's just go with 20 for now to see how it looks. Honestly, I think 20 is probably perfect. And now we're going to click on the color above the text size, the little white box. We're going to move down till we see the eyedropper tool. And then we're going to move over to the phrase haunted house. And actually, if we do that, it kind of blends in a little bit too much. So let's make it a little bit lighter. We'll click now on custom color picker. And we're going to move the slider of that purple just up just a little to make it lighter. There we go. Once we're finished making the changes to our invitation that we want, click the green Done button located at the top right hand side of your screen, and that'll take you back to where you personalized your invitation. Now click on the Options button in the middle of that menu to select what type of invitation you want. You can do a printed invitation or a printed and instant download or instant download, whichever one you want. If you do printed, you also get the option of changing the corner type. So you could do rounded if you wanted to, or you could do one of the other ones. You can also change the paper type. Next, you'll want to click on Review at the top in that menu again to review your invitation one final time before you can add it to your cart. What you'll want to do before adding to your cart is selecting the quantity at the bottom right hand side of your screen to add how many invitations you need, and then click that yellow Add to Cart button. A pop-up will appear showing that the item was added to your cart, and from here you can begin the process of checking out. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitations with me. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you right away. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind taking a quick second of your time to liking this video or subscribing to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.